Hey everybody, Chris Young, Gander RV and Outdoors at Booth.net. It's comfy, isn't it, Bob? Yes. Let me tell you, we are standing inside the 2020 Coleman Light 2425 RB. This rear bath travel trailer is great for that couple or small family that's looking for upgraded features, needs some comforts of home, but doesn't want to spend a lot of money breaking the bank for a travel trailer. I'm going to start right back here with the rear bath, which pretty much dominates the back wall. But if you take a look, for a travel trailer this size, you got plenty of space. Got the plastic bowl here with the foot flush, lots of countertop space here in my bathroom with the large single basin sink. Got my power port here, mirrored vanity. Got that raised lip, which helps keep things in place while in transit. Got the powered fan here, but take a look at this glass neo angle shower. Single surround. Plenty of space and headroom. Got the glass doors to give me some privacy. And the skylight is going to help bring in natural light and make it bright enough. You don't even really need to cut the lights on. But you got plenty of room left to right, up to down. Corner notches to store stuff, plus the sprayer nozzle. And when we step out right into the living area, you're going to notice you got two storage options as soon as you walk in. Over here, I got these shaker style cabinets, solid wood construction with the brushed nickel fixtures. Got my shelves there. I'm always looking for my grab and go spots. For me, pantry storage or not, this is just a great spot for stuff if you need to go. And I got more there, right above my circuit breaker box. And then over here to my right, talking about pantry storage, look at the size and depth of this, which also doubles as a wardrobe closet, because those solid wood shelves can come out. And for me, for the hunting, fishing trips, this is a great spot for the rods, the cases, the whole nines, because I can easily take these out and get as much space as I need. Or it doubles as a mudroom too. Kick off your shoes, throw them under there, then you won't get yelled at for tracking mud into the camper like I do. Coming into the living area, we got a slide here that contains the refrigerator and the U-shaped dinette, giving us lots of walk room. The entertainment center, I like how they put the extended hinge on this, so you can move the television no matter where you're at to be able to get a good angle of it. And that scoots back, has its own strap to keep it securely. Component shelf there, Furion AM/FM. You got the HDMI and the USB port. Plus, I got another shelf down here and a fantastic addition, electric fireplace that is going to do a really good job. Plus, it has 3 flame settings and light settings. Looks great at night, but does a great job warming this area. So, when you want to disconnect from everything and reconnect with those loved ones, and you want to do it with some warmth, cut that fireplace on. That's going to be a great spot. Because, I mean, think about it. When was the last time you got out and had fun? When was the last time you disconnected from the world and reconnected with the loved ones? Getting an RV is a fantastic way to do that. And you pull up to the ocean, lake, beach, just wherever you want to go, neighbor's house. This bay window is going to give you fantastic light, fantastic air, reduce this down. This U-shape converts into a bed, could easily sleep 2 people. They're going to have a good night's sleep. You're going to have a good night's sleep because you're separated from the living area with a solid door. Got a 7 cubic foot fridge, which runs on both LP and electric. Got the freezer there as well. This is great space for those long weekend getaways. 7 cubic foot is fantastic having that in here. So if you're a couple or small family, that's going to give you all the room you need for those drinks, the whole 9. Coming over to the L-shaped kitchen, I like how this is kind of nestled here into the campsite, abutting up against the bedroom. Got plenty of countertop space on this seamless countertop. Got my power port there. Brushed nickel high-rise faucet with a sprayer handle on this deep well, undermounted, stainless steel, farmhouse style sink. How nice is that to say? Got storage underneath. The drawers are full extension on the ball bearing guides here. Solid wood construction, giving you plenty of more storage space for those utensils, the whole 9. Then we come over to the microwave, the range. We got a flush mounted 3-burner stove with the glass cover. And that grill style grate, I'm a big fan of because it makes the pots and pans so easy to move around with. Got an LED light on the controls. And there's our oven and the gray stone there. And the thing that I like about Coleman, got a 13.5 BTU AC here with a quick cool. The thing I like about Coleman, they know camping. They've been doing it forever. We got high ceilings, we got Luan, we got foam core insulation in here. Your climate is taken care of. You're gonna do a fantastic job keeping the temperature where you want it. You got a great AC, great furnace, fireplace, space, style, and comfort. Great construction, just a quality camper all the way around. Coming to the master bedroom, we got a queen size bed, nice little storage compartment right there underneath. And if you notice, right here on the front end cap, you got USB charge ports on both sides. You got fantastic nightstand space, plus you got drawers that come all the way out. Once again, on that ball bearing full extension. You got great ward storage right there, mirrored wards, frosted glass inlays here on these shaker style cabinets for the storage up top. So if you needed space for CPAP machine, reading light, you got everything you need there, plus extra storage for, you know, books, whatever. If you wanted to mount a TV in here, since this is a walk around, you got a space right here that you can mount it because you got your connections right there with the Key TV plus a power port. And Key TV is just something that they've incorporated into the campers that allows you to consolidate all of your cables into one spot so that you're not chasing everything around. But for that couple or that small family that needs a homey feeling travel trailer, this 2020 Coleman Light 2425 RB, fantastic option. So what do you say we go check out the outside? Okay, so here we are on the outside, the 2020 Coleman Light 2425 RB. Great little rear bath travel trailer for that family or couple looking to get out and about. We got ourselves a fiberglass insulated end cap here, got the LED running lights, mini diamond plated rock guard underneath, twin 20-pound LP tanks up front. Fantastic option on any travel trailer. I would say a must-have. Power tongue jack, even has the LED lights. We come around to the campsite and you're gonna see if you got the solar panels, there's your little quick connect right there for the 10 amp service there. Finished off pass-through storage. For the size of this travel trailer, this is a really nice sized, true pass-through storage. You got great space there for hunting equipment, fishing equipment, the whole nine, and magnetic anti-slam latches. The hitches are even covered so that they're not gonna rust out and you start getting those red streaks all over this beautiful fiberglass exterior. Heated and enclosed underbelly. We got power leveling jacks on the front and the rear. Beautiful 18-foot awning with LED light strip. There's the external side of those dual zone speakers I talked about on the inside. And we got sealed tinted safety glass all the way around this camper too. Freshwater connection plus external Key TV and power ports. If you want to set up some outside entertainment, you absolutely could. Or as I like to say, you know, plug in the boombox. Am I the only person that still says boombox? Solid steps going into the main entry here, and you got a solid grab handle too that does a great job acting as a door guard. Rear leveling jack right here. Double axle travel trailer on this one. And a lot of people will say, well, what's the difference between single and double? Well, with this one, you got two Dexter Easy Lube axles on 15-inch aluminum wheels. And the double axle, obviously for more weight, but it's gonna help with that suspension. You're not gonna have the rocking back and forth as much with the double. 4x4 sewer hose storage here. External Key TV command center is right there. Got your spare tire. Arched ceilings. And if you notice those 3-inch rubber nozzles on both sides, that's going to help keep the elements, the rain and the snow, off of this camper, off of you and the slides. Plus we're set up for backup camera. Come around here, we got our 30-amp plug and fantastic feature, black tank flush. Let me tell you, they didn't have to add that on this travel trailer, but having it is fantastic. City water connection, external shower with hot and cold, plus our main dumps, the gray tank and the black tank. The handles are labeled and the ports right there in between. Come around the slide on this one. Thank goodness the electric fence isn't on, or else this would be a completely different video. Other side of the pass-through storage right here. But the most important part of any travel trailer, the info panel. This is where you want to come check and make sure you talk to your specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors. Because for example, unloaded weight, 5,500 pounds. Gross vehicle weight, 7,600 pounds. Lightweight, but that 2,000 pound difference, what does that mean? Ask your specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors. Tell them what your tow vehicle can tow and say, all right, does this work for me? Is this the right vehicle for me? But if you're a family, Small family or a couple looking to get out and about more, upgrade that camping experience. This 2020 Coleman Light 2425 RB is a fantastic rear bath model. I would say you should check it out. But leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think. What'd you like about the camper? What'd you not like about the camper? I love hearing from you. Please like and subscribe as well. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you soon. And as always, come check out a camper. They're fun.